Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The diagnostic trouble code DTC P050B indicates a cold start ignition timing control system performance problem specifically for Honda Accord models from 2012 to 2017, equipped with the K24W1 engine type. This code is generated when the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, detects an issue during initial engine operation. The vehicle's quick warm-up system is designed to optimize catalytic converter efficiency by supplying additional air and retarding ignition timing when the engine is cold. A malfunction may occur when engine speed does not meet specified fast idle values. The PCM monitors these parameters during engine operation, and any abnormalities could lead to the code being stored. It's essential to address this issue promptly to ensure optimal emissions performance and engine efficiency. The P050B code signifies a performance problem in the cold start ignition timing control system of the Honda Accord. It specifically involves the quick warm-up system, which is essential for reducing emissions by accelerating the activation of the catalytic converter. When the engine is cold, this system provides additional air and adjusts ignition timing to improve efficiency. The PCM, an integral part of engine management, monitors key parameters, including engine speed and throttle position. It uses specific thresholds to determine if the quick warm-up operation is functioning correctly. If the actual engine speed does not align with expected values, particularly at fast idle, the PCM will trigger this DTC, indicating a need for further diagnosis. Several potential causes could lead to the triggering of DTC P050B. One possible culprit is the intake air duct, which may be broken or incorrectly installed, affecting the volume and quality of air entering the engine. Any breakage can lead to improper air-fuel mixture, which can impact ignition timing. Another common cause is air cleaner issues, such as breakage, damage, or clogging, which can impede airflow and disrupt the system's functioning. Additionally, a malfunctioning mass airflow (MAF) sensor could fail to accurately assess airflow, leading to improper engine performance under cold starting conditions. Identifying and rectifying these issues is crucial for restoring proper engine operation. The manifestation of DTC P050B can present several symptoms. Drivers may notice a rough engine idle, particularly upon starting the vehicle in cold conditions. This can be attributed to the improper ignition timing adjustments that the quick warm-up system should regulate. Another symptom may be poor acceleration performance, leading to feelings of sluggishness during initial driving. Additionally, the check engine light will illuminate as the PCM detects a malfunction. Drivers might also notice increased emissions as the vehicle struggles to optimize the catalytic converter's performance, making it vital to address the ignition timing control issue promptly to prevent further complications. Initiating the troubleshooting process for DTC P050B requires ensuring the engine is cool enough to avoid skewed diagnostic readings. For optimal conditions, the engine coolant temperature, ECT, must be below 140 degrees Fahrenheit, 60 degrees Celsius. This step is crucial as testing with a warm engine could mask existing issues, leading to inaccurate diagnostics. By allowing the engine to return to ambient temperature, technicians can get a clear picture of how the ignition timing control system operates under cold start conditions. This step will help to simulate the conditions that triggered the DTC and is therefore essential for effective troubleshooting moving forward. After ensuring the engine is adequately cooled, the next step is to start the engine and allow it to idle for a minimum of 10 seconds. This short idling period provides valuable insights into how the cold start ignition timing control system performs in real time. Observing the engine's performance during this phase can unveil immediate abnormalities. For example, rough idling or stalling could indicate prevalent issues in the ignition timing adjustment. During this period, technicians should be vigilant for signs that might suggest a malfunction, gathering critical data for the subsequent diagnostic steps. Once repairs have been implemented, it is imperative to carry out a final verification process to ensure everything is functioning as intended. This involves checking the repair areas, like the intake air ducts and air cleaner, for secure installations and proper functionality. Additionally, monitoring the engine during its next cold start will provide insight into the success of the repairs. The PCM should not log the DTC again, indicating that the ignition timing control system operates as designed. A successful verification would entail normal operation during the cold startup with no recurring symptoms, confirming that the repair addressed the initial issues adequately. To help prevent recurrence of DTC P050B, establishing a routine preventive maintenance schedule is essential. Regular inspections of air intake components, such as ducts and air filters, can help catch issues before they develop into larger problems. If air filters are clogged, they should be replaced not only to optimize airflow, but also to promote efficient engine operation. Maintaining the health of the MAF sensor is also critical, as it plays a significant role in measuring the amount of air entering the engine and ensuring the ignition timing adjustments are accurate. By staying proactive with these maintenance tasks, owners can significantly extend the life of their engine components and reduce downtime. Understanding the implications of DTC P050B is vital for Honda Accord owners seeking to maintain optimal vehicle performance. The cold start ignition timing control system plays a crucial role in emissions control and engine efficiency, and any faults can lead to significant operational issues. Timely repairs based on thorough diagnostics are necessary to restore proper functionality and enhance vehicle reliability. Moreover, implementing a routine preventive maintenance schedule can mitigate risks of future occurrences of similar DTCs. By taking these steps, vehicle owners can ensure their Honda Accord remains in peak condition while complying with emissions regulations. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.